Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking my new old Ferrari to the first service appointment with these guys that are experts in the area. Looking forward to it. I haven't done it since I bought it. I don't know what I don't know. Hopefully everything is fine with it. But looking forward to seeing if there's any problem or any issue. Let's see. So I'll be reporting back. Probably have to leave it there for a couple of days for them to test it and so on. But hoping everything will be fine. I'll be doing a video of any finding, and I'll report back to you guys. So I'll see you soon. Hello everyone. Like I said, the Ferrari is at the shop now. They found a number of things that had to be fixed. None of it is anything catastrophic or major failure, but it has a few things, wear and tear, parts and things to fix. It's quite a job. The radiator has to be removed and restored because it has a leak. There's some lines that have to be replaced. It's time to change the cam belts, timing belts. It's a big, pretty expensive job. So I'm looking at a few things, and then as you know, it's gonna be there. They're gonna restore the manifold cover, so that's gonna be powder coated nicely in Ferrari red. So it's gonna be great. You know, it's gonna take probably a couple of weeks in the shop, and I'll probably do a video when I pick up the car. For now, I'm gonna now cut to a video I took when I took it to the shop, and it's up in the lift, so you can see it along with some other cars in the shop. I think that's interesting, but that's the status. There's some repairs that need to be done, and then from then I think it's like baseline for me to sort of take care of it for the next few years. So I'm still happy with the car. It's in great condition, but you know, some of these things are inevitable, as you might imagine. So I'll cut here to the video in the shop, and we'll be talking soon. Take care.